Registered apprenticeships are a proven solution to help businesses grow a custom-trained workforce, stacked with well-qualified, highly skilled workers who are recruited, trained, and retained by an organization for its specific needs. Unlike traditional post-secondary education programs, which are designed to prepare students for any number of career pathways, apprenticeships are designed by and for the employer, with a specialized focus on the unique needs of a specific job. Because apprentices learn primarily in the workplace, they develop the customized skills and knowledge they need to become fully competent employees. Today, there are more than 448,000 registered apprentices nationwide, spanning nearly every industry, including information technology, advanced manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, energy, finance, and consumer services. Registered apprenticeship is right for these businesses, and it might be right for your business as well. If you're interested in developing a registered apprenticeship program for your organization, this video will walk you through considerations and key next steps. Let's get started.